Marine fishery resources have long been a valuable source of food for the people of Thailand, especially mackerels, which contain really high nutritional value. The increasing demand for mackerels has led to drastic increase of fishing efforts in Thai waters, exceeding the natural production capacity and resulting in the decline of mackerel population. Recognizing the need to address the diminishing mackerel resources, the Department of Fisheries of Thailand initiated a research project on the aquaculture of mackerels. The study, which was spearheaded by Mr. Suthichan Lithitham, Director of Samut Sakhon Coastal Fisheries Research and Development Center, is aimed at enhancing the natural population of mackerels. At the start of the study, the research team collected mackerels from stake trap and raised the fish until they mature and serve as brooders for the production. The team makes sure that collecting the mackerels would not create injury to the fish. The process therefore has to be very quick from collecting, counting and transferring the fish to plastic containers with oxygenated seawater to prevent mortality during transport.
ยกขึ้นไปตังก่อนอีกตังนึงตังใหม่ตังสองเป็น30ไปน้ำปล่อยก่อนปล่อย
Immediately after getting sufficient number of mackerels, the fish is transported to Samut Sakhon Coastal Fisheries Research and Development Center. Where the fish is transferred and conditioned in raw tanks. Here, the fish is raised until they are mature and ready for reproduction. This initiative is considered the world's first successful attempt in rearing mackerels to reach brooder size in a closed system. The Department of Fisheries is looking forward to furthering the outcome from these research works towards commercial aquaculture of mackerels in the future.